Howdy student, I am Meena Dikshit. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here we discuss which type of question can be asked in MCQ and how do you have to respond. Carbene, it is electrophilic in nature. Lewis acid, yes of course. Nucleophilic in nature, yes of course. Shock carbene is this nucleophilic, whereas Fischer carbene is electrophilic. Okay, reason why singlet carbene is electrophile, single carbene having vacant p orbital on the carbon atom, making it electron deficient. So singlet carbene is electrophilic in nature, and nucleophilic carbene, here Sherrock carbene. Here in contrast, Sherrock carbene have a metal carbon double bond where a metal is bound to the electron donating group. These carbene act as nucleophile. Rearrangement is possible. Yes, rearrangement is possible because 6 electrons are present, so it is highly reactive and it will undergo Wolff rearrangement. So from here we will discuss Fischer carbene. What is Fischer carbene? These are carbenes which are characterized by metal carbon double bond. Remember, metal carbon double bond where the metal is also bound to electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group in Fischer carbene pull electron density away from the carbon in carbene carbon, making it electron deficient, so it will be electrophilic. Whereas Sherrock carbenes, in contrast, Sherrock carbene, metal carbon double bond is there when metal is bound to electron donating group. Okay, electron donating group, rocks. Only for remembering I am saying. And here electron withdrawing group, Fischer. Okay, so Fischer electron deficient as well as Sherrock electron donating group, so it will be acting as nucleophile. So and rearrangement is possible, yes of course. It is having 6 electron intermediate species, so it will undergo Wolff rearrangement. I have given one example. Although it is not necessary, but sometimes they can give you Wolff rearrangement and they will give you intermediate. At that moment you should know that Wolff rearrangement, there is carbene as an intermediate. So here why I am saying that it is electrophilic in nature, that I discussed, metal carbon double bond and electron withdrawing group. These are the three keywords. Shock carbene, here metal carbon double bond is present, but the metal is bound with electron donating group. Okay, donating group, so it is nucleophilic in nature. 6 electron species making rearrangement possible, and it will help in Wolff rearrangement reaction. So see here, paramagnetic, in previous video I discussed, yes, triplet carbene is paramagnetic, and diamagnetic, yes, singlet carbene is diamagnetic. Okay, you write down everything. sp2 both, singlet and triplet both are sp2 hybrids. Okay, so in this way, electrophilic, yes, nucleophilic, yes, paramagnetic, diamagnetic, yes,